Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use voice assistant on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. The robot has a built-in voice assistant and you can enable that so you can prompt it to do different things. To do that, go to settings, go to voice assistant and now enable it. You can go to more voice interaction instructions there, and then you can see to wake up the robot you need to say this phrase. I'll say it in just a moment, but for now let's see what we have here. So for cleaning you have all those different phrases, for dog control, for pausing and resuming, for robot settings and room cleaning as well. Let's try doing like hello Rocky, empty the dustbin. Empty the dustbin.
Emptying dustbin.
Hello Rocky. Okay, now it doesn't hear me. So I'll just pause it here. I'll stop emptying, but yeah, this is how it works, as you can see. So that's like pretty easy. Let's go back to the voice assistant. So yeah, that's what you can do. Just wake the robot, wait until it says I'm here, then say the phrase that you want to use. You can see, you can ask it to, for example, clean the kitchen or whatever. So yeah, that's great. You can change the language and volume and as well as chat history here. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.